get that mirror off. You ready for this? Come listen to my podcast. Put your finger, pop it off, and it'll go flying. Part 1. Part 2. Let's see what we have to do to get this thing off. One hand? Nah. Okay, so the bottom was actually easier to pop off. All right, so you gotta get the bottom off first. I just did it by hand, and then it comes downward. This locks up into the top. These right here go in there. So there you go. Same way to put it back up is you want to line up the top first. And you'll feel it click. And then there you go. You see? So now let's get the mirror out. So now since we locked it back into place. And as usual, it's just the Torx. It's probably a T20. Let's go get it. T20 it is. You don't have to take it all the way out, but there you go. Just loosen it up, and there you have it. So, hey look, 300. It's a good movie. So, put this thing back, tighten her up. I already showed you how to put the plastic on, and like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.